Hello everyone. My name is Pankaj Channa. I am co-founder Vedam Health. Vedam Health is a medical travel platform which in the last 10 years has helped almost 100,000 patients travel to 8 different destinations in the world. Medical travelers travel to different parts of the world, and today I am going to share some of my thoughts on most popular such destinations. Let's start with India. When it comes to India, we receive lot of our patients from our neighboring countries. Number one being Bangladesh. Bangladesh alone covers almost 80% of our medical travelers. Other than Bangladesh, then we receive patients from Iraq, Uzbekistan. We used to receive lot from Afghanistan. Outside of our neighbors, we have been receiving lot of patients from African continent, all the African nations, people who struggle because either the healthcare is not available in their country or they don't trust the expertise. They look for the latest technology at an affordable cost. This is the real value proposition which India offers for Africans traveling for medical reasons outside their country. Uh, Almost 50 countries out of 54 countries in Africa have been coming to India regularly. From even far flung countries like Gambia, Sierra Leone, Liberia, Francophonian countries like Cote d'Ivoire, Cameroon, Congo, Senegal, Guinea Conakry, and of course, then when it comes to Eastern African countries like Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. Other than that, India also received a lot of patients from Pacific islands and other islands like Mauritius, Maldives, Fiji, Vanuatu, so on and so forth. Other than India, there are a few other top destinations, and few which comes to my mind are Turkey, Thailand, Germany, Mexico, Dubai, Egypt, and so on and so forth. Patients, when they want to travel, they first look for treatment options as close to their home as possible. That is why when we think of Turkey as a medical travel destination, you will see lot of Europeans, North African countries, CIS patients traveling to Turkey. Turkey receives the mix of patients that Turkey receives are slightly different when it comes to comparison with India. Turkey receive almost 60 to 65% of patients for cosmetic reason. Hair transplant is one of the top among them. And it is said that Turkey is the hair transplant capital of the world. When it comes to India, for example, India received lot of patients for serious medical care, cancer, orthopedic, spine, bone marrow transplant, any other organ transplant. Cosmetic for us, maybe 2%, at best 5%. And imagine if we compare it with a destination like Turkey, which received dental and hair transplant and body cosmetic surgeries, almost 65%. The another one top destination is Thailand. The mix of Thailand is also very similar to Turkey. A lot of patients travel to Thailand for cosmetic surgeries. Australians, New Zealanders, Americans, Europeans. And then, of course, the other neighbors like Myanmar, Bangladesh, Cambodia, they travel to Thailand for other serious medical care, similar to how India received their patients. When it comes to destination like Germany or United States, patients from all over the world. In fact, if you see the top 0.1% rich population of anywhere in the world, they will only have two destinations in mind. They will either like to go to USA or would like to go to Germany. Then there are some treatments for which patients go to Germany, which are generally not available in their other countries. For example, we have been sending a lot of advanced recurrent prostate cancer cases to Germany for lutetium 177 treatment. Similarly, there are many other hemopoietic stem cell treatments which are offered in Germany, which may not be offered in other countries. Mexico is another such big destinations. A lot of Americans and Canadians, because of proximity, direct flight, 4 hours, 6 hours flight, they love going to Mexico for dental and cosmetic reasons. In 2025, we expect around 35 million people to travel from their country to different part of the world for medical reasons. And as I said, each destination have their own unique strength, own USPs that they offer. For some destinations, their main focus point is serious medical care, like we were discussing oncology, organ transplant, urology, orthopedic, cardiac. While for others, the main focus is infertility, cardiac, dental, and hair transplant. Thank you.